Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we are trying to explore one more new topics in the Power Cloud Automate. So here we are targeting the Outlook. So when you see Outlook, we have the multiple attachments are there. So we need to check that what type of attachment on that, and based on that I want to print the attachment. So that is the thing. For example, here I want to do only the PDF attachments. But I have, if when you see here, I have the one attachment is with the PDF, and another one it has a .xlsx, and another one is that there is no attachment. So now out of these three I want to print only this document understanding text, document understanding dot pdf one. So I want to print that one. So already I have the build this one. Just let me test this, and post will explain one by one how we can do this one. So just click on the test and configure the run flow. So just it will take a couple of seconds to complete this automation, and it has completed. So when you see this first attachment, go to here for each, and you can see this how the attachments you can. So you can see the test3 and test2 and test1. Okay, it's taken from the downside onwards. I mean test1, test2, test3, here it's out, but it taken as test1, test2 and test3. So just go back to here test3. So test3 I have the format which you call xlsx. So that's why we cannot get it anything on the printed here. And the next one is I have the document on the test2, which is document as PDF. So just click on this here forward, and you can see this. So it got print the PDF. So you can see this, click on the compose, and we can see this document name as document understanding user guide.pdf. And when I go for the third one, so it not came inside because there is no attachment for that. So that's why it went to the false. You can see this condition is the false here. So like that it has to. Now just click on this edit, and I will delete all the steps here, and I will do from scratch onwards. So this one you can go with this normal trigger, manual trigger, or you can go with the email based trigger. So it's up to you. So for this you can get the get emails v3. So just check the connection, and you can establish connection. Once you're done, so you can see this multiple filters are there. So as of now I don't want to take any filters. I just go with this one specific folder. So right now my target is RPA PA under the inbox. So that's why I selected the folder as RPA on hyphen PA. That's my folder. Suppose that I want to check whether the attachment has available or not. For that I will go with this condition activity. So you can see this condition activity, just click on it, and you can see this. So what we are trying, so we are trying to do, check the attachment is available or not. So you can just click here, it will come, or else if we go here forward slash and hit the enter, you can see this. So now I want to check as attachment is available or not. The first is, this is my condition. So just we can attachment has attachment or not. So you can just check this, and once you come here you can see this loop. So the loop will automatically, it will come here. And now the second thing is you can go here and has attachment is equals to true. So this is a condition. Don't put the capital T, it won't work. So it will take this all lowercase letters only. Just put that true. After this I want to check one more condition inside, whether I want to print the attachment. So for the printing, just click it here again and check for the condition one more time. Just check it, and you can see this. I have the one more activity which is called attachment. So attachment name. Okay, just put this attachment name which is contains .pdf. So then I want to print it. So when you come to here, you can see this one more extra loop which came. So still again it is looping from the scratch. So we don't want to this loop, because already we have initiated the same loop on the first for each. So if you want to delete this directly, if you delete, entire will be delete. So before deleting, you can move this to little bit up, and you can delete the down one. Okay, now we have this everything, and when you go inside you can see this for each thing. So here why it is for each 2 came now. So already we have the for each one, just we deleted. So here 2 things will be happen. Sometimes it might be get the error, and sometimes it won't get the error. So just save it and check it. So still if it is working fine, well and good, or else we need to go and modify that. I will show you how to modify that if it is not modified. So now when you check here now, so it got modified automatically. If it is not modified now, what you need to do, just remove this one and add it, re-add it again. So it will take that. Now it is looping this for each one. It will get the loop for each and every items. I mean items of attachments in the particular mail. Suppose that here I want to check the condition. So my file name should be contained .pdf or not. So if the PDF is available, then only should come and print that. So for printing, we can use the compose activity. So just click on that compose and we can make it as the name which we called attachment name. Okay, now if you want add false, you can add the false as well. So just put that condition and okay, not required condition. I want to put the compose. So just put the compose. I'll put just no attachments. No attachments are okay. If it is other things, we can push that other one. No? So we can add it attachment name. So if it is PDF, it will come and print it PDF. If it is not there, it will go to another whatever we have other TXT or XLX. It will go and print it. And here I will add one more condition which we called just no attachments. I will put it. So just put this and add this no attachments. So now everything is done. So just click on that save and save and test. I mean, take it manually and save and test. So it will connection will be established automatically from the backend side, and you can click on the run flow. So flow has execution. I mean, flow is executing, and we can see this everything has completed. So our use the trigger is manual trigger and get the all the mails. So when you go inside, you can see this input. Under the input, you can see this whatever is available. Why it's not name. Let's go and see. Yeah. So you can go and check here whatever the things are available. So you can see this test one and test two and test three is available. So these are the inputs which you get from the mail sites. So it will read all the mails. So and next you use the for each. So in this for each, we are looping everything and we are checking the conditions. And right now I have the three mails are there. So that's why I got these three things. The first one, when you go and check here, so it picked the format as TSXLXX because the format which is from the Outlook is test.xlx. And for the next one, it has a PDF. So when you go and check here, so it has a format as a PDF format. And the third one, it has a no attachments. So that's why it come to here and update value as a no attachments. So this is a way how we can design, get the data from the Outlook and check the attachment, what type of attachments are there. So based on this, for example, when you see I have XLX things are there, I need to go and put it in the one folder. And when come to the PDFs, I want to put it in the some PDF folders like that. We need to design. So this is one of the real case. I mean, just this is very high level, but when you go inside, it has some of the real cases which we did in the Power Automate cloud as well. So I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubts, post your comments in the comment section. And finally, thanks for watching.